Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to dive into the best muriatic acid for hot tubs, the SUNNYSIDE Corporation 71032 1-Quart Muriatic Acid. If you're looking for an effective solution to balance your pool or hot tub's pH levels, this is the product you need. Let's start with what makes this muriatic acid stand out from the rest. First of all, it's fast-acting, which is key when you're trying to adjust your hot tub's pH levels quickly and effectively. If you've noticed your water is cloudy, unbalanced, or the pH levels are off, this muriatic acid can help restore balance and keep your hot tub water sanitized. This product, also known as hydrochloric acid, is perfect for maintaining clean and clear water in your hot tub. Whether you're tackling tough stains, cleaning concrete, or adjusting pH levels, this solution does it all. It's a powerful and reliable cleaner that etches concrete and can even be used on brick and mortar surfaces, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. The SUNNYSIDE Corporation 71032 Muriatic Acid is packaged in a plastic bottle for easy storage and safe handling. It's important to follow the label carefully for the best results and safety precautions when using the product. For those with hot tubs, balancing pH is crucial, and this muriatic acid ensures that you can do so without hassle. In addition to being effective, the 1-quart size is ideal for smaller maintenance jobs, making it a practical choice for those who want a straightforward and efficient way to keep their hot tub water in top condition. Whether you're a seasoned hot tub owner or just getting started, this muriatic acid is a must-have in your cleaning and maintenance routine. That's it for today's product review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and detailed reviews on products like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.